So here's how you can promote your Fiverr affiliate link the best way. It's quite simple and easy to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss any of the steps. So the first thing you're going to do is open up any browser in your system. Head onto the search box and write Fiverr affiliate. Now click on the first link which says affiliates.fiverr.com. Here in the top right corner, click on Join Now if you don't have an account yet, or click on Login if you do have an account. Enter your username and password here and click on Login. Now here's the dashboard of Fiverr affiliates. Click on Marketing Tools and then click on the third option, Default and Deep Links. In the right side, you can see LP URL here. You're going to put the URL of Fiverr gig. Now open up another tab and type in Fiverr in the search box. Here you can see different types of services people are offering. If you want to promote a specific type of service, just type in that service into the search box. Now look through different gigs and select the one that you feel is most good. Open up that Fiverr gig and check their work. If they really have good ratings on their gig, copy their URL from top. Now again, come back to the first tab with Fiverr affiliates open. Paste the link you copied into this LP URL section. Now create another tab and open your Facebook account in it, as Facebook is one of the best places to promote the Fiverr affiliate links. As your Facebook account is opened up, you can see search box on the top left corner of it. Type in Need, and then the service that you are promoting and click on Posts in Filters. Now you can see many posts about needing that service. Open their comment section one by one. Before promoting that link, open up another tab and type in URL shortener in there. Convert your long Fiverr affiliate link into small URL shortener link. Now again, come up to the comment section of that Facebook posts and promote your link in each of them. If you see any post directly from a personal account, get into their ID and promote your link in their chat. In this way, you can promote your Fiverr affiliate link through one of the best way. If you come back to the Fiverr affiliates dashboard, you can see all the information over here. If someone buys a service from your link, you will get 10% commission on that service, and you will get them automatically into your Fiverr affiliates account.